Hey, I'm going to show you some exercises that you can do with your step or bench in this 10-minute follow along workout. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You're just going to need 10-pound or 15-pound weights or whatever you have and step or bench. Are we ready? Got your step, got your weights. Let's go. We're going to start with our chest press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's our 10 chest press. Bicep curls. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's your 10 bicep curls. Now I'm doing my hammer curls. We got 10 of these also. This is my 3. This is my 4. This is 5 hammer curls. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10 hammer curls. Great job on those arms. Here's our 10 shoulder presses. So I'm going to push up and release it nice and slow. This is number 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. That was your 10 shoulder presses. Okay, we got another shoulder exercise, so we're going to go directly to a lateral raise. There we go. 1, 2. Make sure that the weights that you have are challenging, but helps you to keep great form. And as you increase that strength, it gets easier and easier. So as it gets easier and easier, you're going to need to challenge yourself and go ahead and add a heavier weight. We have 2 left. This is number 9. See, when I'm talking, it goes by so fast. And this is our last one. This is 10. Great job, everybody. This is our chest press to tricep extension. Perfect. That's 1. Push to your chest, engage those triceps, and drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we go. This is our last one. This is our 10. These are our lying tricep extensions. Squeezing through those triceps, flexing and extending those elbows. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are our 10 tricep extensions. Great job. These are our chest flies. Palms are going to come together. We're going to squeeze that center for 1, 2, controlling those weights. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. weights are together and I'm pressing from the center of my chest, pressing out. Center and out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go with our step tap hammer curl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's our 10. Great job. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now we're going to have a seat and we have a shoulder press. So as we come up from the seated position, we're going to press it up for 1. Press it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more for your perfect 10. Great job. I just don't want to stop. Next exercise is a 1-arm row. I'm going to use my bench. I'm just leaning one arm on that bench. So I'm using my chest and I'm pulling on that opposite side, doing that 1-arm row. Of course, I can make this more challenging by going in a plank or on both knees. However, we're doing a standing and we're just challenging ourselves to a row. So that we've did 10, we're going to switch to the opposite side. So since I'm doing left, my left foot is forward. That's 2. This is 3. 4, I'm still engaging my abs. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our 10. Good job for that row. We're doing a plank cross, 1 foot at a time, or if you're more advanced, you can actually do a jump. So it's going over that bench, trying to go over that bench and clear the bench. That's your 10. We're going to be in this plank position. I'm on the box. This could be an elbow plank, or you can stay in the regular plank position. Now we have our plank walkouts. So we're going to use that bench, and this is a little easier than us going on the floor. So if you have issues with going down to the floor, this is a perfect time and a perfect way to learn to do a nice plank using that full arm movement. So I'm just walking out for 4, trying to make sure I engage my abs. I'm taking my time. This is 3. Looking good. Go much faster. This is 4. Take your time. engaging that chest, engaging your core. This is 5. Okay, we're going to have a seat for our tricep dips. Down and up, keeping my butt as close to the back as possible. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looking good. This is my tricep dip with the kick. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as always, thank you for joining. Make sure you get your stretch in, stretching out your upper body. Check out some of those stretching videos that we have for you. And if you got this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. There you have it. It was a 10-minute using our bench. I appreciate you being here. Until the next time, my friend, I will see you later.